Hello YouTubers, and this is a review of the Pharaoh's quest, and we're reviewing the Scarab attack. First we got the Scarab. It's like a giant beetle, and the was kind of simple and easy. Then we here got the box, and I put in the shotgun and the goggles, actually binoculars. And then here we got Jake, I don't know. And here comes the golden crystal, him holding an axe, trying to get away from the Scarab, because it's called the Scarab attack. And then here we have the Jake slash Jack campsite. Here we got a mug, a chicken leg, and fire. Okay, and it costs like $4.99 to buy this. And well, they printed it on here, there, and well, that's it. What I have. Okay, please comment and goodbye.